All right, so as you all know, we're running Netter Gold out the basement of the house, and we're going to be switching over to this right here. This is my detached garage, and that's going to be where we're running. Watch out for dog poop. Oh, made it. This is where we're going to be running everything out of now. So in here, you can see is my old car. So you all saw that video a while ago. My old Corvette. And then just got stuff, a whole bunch of stuff. Whoa, was that a bird? I think that was a bird. Yeah, there was a bird. All right. But yeah, so this is it. It used to be a car thing or whatever. The guy that used to own it used to do car stuff out here. So this like American Smith, I don't know what this stuff is. There's no dates on it, but it's a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so this is gonna be super dope. Super excited about this because yeah, it'll just be a great place to use for like Netter Gold stuff. So the plan, right, so this right here is gonna be, you know, taking the car out, moving it out. So over here is gonna be where I do all of my computer stuff. So I'm gonna put stuff over here, computer here, camera stuff, all this stuff's gonna go here. Then on this back wall, we're gonna put a window here and like a window over there, like a sink right there. And over here to be all the Netter Gold stuff. So it's gonna be like our mixing table stuff right here. Right here where I'm standing, this wooden table is gonna end up taking up this spot. It's just like a meeting table, packing table, stuff like that. Replace this window with a bigger window, get the electricity running, get an AC system, take the garage door, get rid of that, put like French doors or something in there. Then this door right here is gonna be replaced with a better door, so we actually, you know, it actually works and whatnot. And then this is all gonna be mixing stuff, packing stuff, put up some new lights and stuff in the ceiling, close the ceiling off, put some insulation stuff up here. And yeah, so I'm gonna do some periodic updates. I got my contractor, he's outside now, so he's gonna be fixing it up and while I'm mixing up your gold, and then we're gonna go from there. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this build process. It's just a bunch of random stuff. Like there's just no concrete over here. It's just carpet on floor, you know, car stuff and whatever. I get all that stuff fixed. But yeah, it's a pretty spacious location. I think it'd be really great for Netter Gold expansion. And then Chris is going to utilize our basement for her dog stuff. So yeah, it's going to be dope. This car. You all will be seeing this car again soon, I promise you. Cool. But yeah, so that's the entire shindig here. This is it. This is the whole space. And then there's a basketball court over here. We'll put stuff over there. Oh, look at my baby. Look at my baby. So I told you I took the engine apart. So there's really no engine in here. It's all pieces. And yeah. Got all the car parts are right in there. All the engine parts are right inside that bin. So one of these days, like I told you all, we get this thing fixed up. It'll be nice and pretty. And you're gonna see it again. Because it's yellow, you know, I love that color. And I may even put a, nah, I'm not gonna put an owl on it. That'll just make it look like a firebird. So this is what we're looking at so far. Much better, emptier. Oh. I found some cat poop in here, so that was fantastic. Yeah, so we got all this stuff here. This space is coming along. And yeah, as you all can see, the space is definitely will be well utilized for mixing and maxing out all your skincare needs. Yeah. This place is, oh, I got some seasoning. What's this? What we got? What we got? Some zesty seasoned salt. Yeah. That's my stuff right there. But yeah. Super dope, super dope. All right, this is the final empty. Empty as hell, super empty. Corner to corner, empty to empty. All right, update coming.